You understand? Fish sellers are angry with me because I came to the industry and I am crashing price for everybody. I am reducing the price. How will you get something like this 30k? Eh? But fish magnet knows that the country is hard. You know that the country is hard, so we are giving you fish at a reduced rate. You know that Tinubu dey sit na T-Pain 25k like this. 25k all this, eh? We will cripple everything for you. It will give me more joy to give this fish to very dark man than to sell them. Just as a way of appreciating him for all the good deeds he has been doing in Nigeria, and for him coming to Onitsha, Anambra State, my state, to help traders, to speak out for us. It's not easy. So I want to send this fish to him, only if I can reach him. You know, please, help me tag very dark man so that I can get this fish across to him. Please and please, come and see the fish.
Help us tag very dark man!
Please.
Unfortunately, he will not be able to give me that fish because he has been kidnapped and he has been killed.
I don't tell when I say now, I don't know for this fish industry, David. All of them, don't forget about fish gills. You know, guys, we are here. This right here is number one reason why all these fish for here, do you know how? Like,
Hi guys, so
don't worry. One fish. Person may train. I don't. This train. Our online fish on the end. This 4 months. Yo, guys. Hey, I need to. I'm driving to the. Hey.
You know what we ask, right? What is the offense of this guy? If you go to his page, all he does, I saw him for the very first time on Tunde North page when he said he wanted to give me fish. But me, I was so busy. You know, every time I talk about the government, I always talk about, even if you're not going to give the people anything, just give them security. What is the offense of this guy? Go to this guy's page, you will see. Guy, everybody, people. I don't know what the guy did. When I opened his DM, man, look at what he sent to me on the 23rd of June. He said, "Big brother, please, it will be an honor to get this fish across to you. It's already in the oven, one name." On the 26th of June, sent another one. He said, "I greet you, big brother, your fish is ready. Any info where I will send it to will be appreciated. Please accept this gesture." To the executive governor of Anambra State, Chukuma Soludo. You see, I see your kids. They go abroad. One of them is even abroad. What's his name? Uzuna, what's his name? When your children in the country, where we say, if you don't like that country, you know, go send your pikin go. If security no dey that country, you know, go send your pikin go. You are the governor of Anambra State. The kidnapping and killings in Anambra State is too much. It's too much. What is the hope of entrepreneurs? What is the hope of the people that want to do business in Nigeria? The government don't offer you too much. And when you decide to start, you are not even sure of your security. Every day, I'm even tired of hearing this thing. Every day, you say, Eki farmers for Benway. We just see they keep farmers for jobs. You know, these things. You go just say, please guys, I'll be coming to Anambra State, maybe like on the 4th. I think on the 4th. Then maybe we can do a candlelight. I mean, any day that does not clash with the sit at home in Anambra State, we can do a candlelight, just a candlelight walk for fish magnets, and also raise awareness on the kidnappings going on in Anambra State. If you go through the guy's page, you see all he does is to promote his business. That's all that boy does. So we're coming to Anambra State on the, we'll be coming maybe on the 3rd, then I'll post from Anambra State, and I hope the time does not clash with the sit at home in Anambra. Let's just walk, and also to raise awareness on the insecurity that's going on in the east. Generally, an insecurity going on in Nigeria, I can't, it's becoming so normal every day, you know. Benue own become so normal. Even 2 days ago, 2 people was also killed in Benue, and they were dropped by the road, you know. Just is now a regular thing, and it's slowly crossing, you know. I keep saying these things, we keep quiet, and this thing will just go across for Nigeria. And here we did now. The painful part is that the youth pay little or no attention to insecurities in Nigeria. They would rather go for trending entertainment issues, you know. I don't know, I'm not trying to push blame on anybody, but the sooner we take insecurity seriously in Nigeria, the better for all of us. Thank you.